In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Steam profile artwork. Now, whether you're looking to add a personal touch or showcase your creativity to your friends on Steam, this simple yet effective guide will have you ready in no time. Let's get started. First, you'll want to begin by opening your Steam app. If you don't have it open already, go ahead and fire it up. Steam is your main portal for all things gaming, and this is where you'll be customizing your profile. Once you have successfully opened Steam, the next step is to click on the login button if you're not already signed in. Next, enter your account name and password. Be sure you type them in accurately. There's nothing more frustrating than a typo keeping you from accessing your account. Double check everything, and whenever you're set, click on sign in. Once you've logged in, you'll land on your Steam homepage. This is familiar territory for most of us, a space littered with game recommendations, current events, and updates. What we want to do next is click on your profile name, usually found at the top of the page. This will navigate you to your personal profile page. From there, click on View My Profile. This page is all about you, displaying your gaming skills and achievements. Here you'll find an option marked Artwork. Go ahead and click on it. Then select Upload Artwork. This action allows you to add a new piece of your creative work to showcase on your profile. In the Upload Artwork window, you see Find Not Game Specific. Click on this option to designate that your artwork isn't tied to any particular game. You're free to upload any kind of profile art this way. After doing so, you should give your artwork an engaging title. Something catchy or descriptive can draw more attention and set the tone for your piece. Then you are ready to upload your artwork file. Select the file you wish to use from your device and load it up. If you want to add a bit more context to your creation, consider writing a description. This is a great place to express what inspired your art, or to provide any additional information you think viewers would appreciate. Now decide on your artwork's visibility setting. You can choose to make it public for everyone to see or restrict the view to just friends or yourself. It's all about how comfortable you feel with sharing your creation. Click on Rights and Ownership next. It's essential to review and agree to these terms to ensure everything is above board. Lastly, confirm your choices by clicking on Save and Continue. With this final step, your artwork will be successfully uploaded to your profile for everyone to enjoy. There you have it, a simple way to customize your Steam profile and show off your unique style. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.